Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add digital clock on Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is press and hold on screen to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, okay, you can find the widget by scrolling down or up on screen. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the digital clock widget. And okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold the digital clock widget. And okay guys, now you can slide to set the position. And okay guys, release it. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the digital clock on your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.